Lila and the Magic Unicorn. Lila was a kind-hearted girl who loved fairy tales and magical creatures. One bright morning, as she was exploring the woods near her home, she found a sparkling path she had never seen before. Curious and excited, Lila followed the path deeper into the forest. To her amazement, the path led to a beautiful meadow filled with colorful flowers and a shimmering rainbow. In the middle of the meadow stood a magnificent unicorn with a gleaming white coat and a golden horn. The unicorn's mane sparkled with all the colors of the rainbow.
I am Stardust, the magical unicorn. I've been waiting for you.
The unicorn said in a gentle, musical voice. Lila's eyes widened in wonder.
You can talk,
She exclaimed.
and you know my name.
Stardust nodded.
Yes, I know all about you and I need your help. The magic in our land is fading, and only someone with a pure heart can restore it.
Lila felt a surge of determination.
What can I do to help?
She asked. Stardust smiled.
We need to find 3 magical gems hidden in the forest. Each gem holds a special power that will restore the magic.
Lila and Stardust set off on their quest together. The first gem, the Gem of Courage, was hidden in a cave guarded by a wise old owl. The owl perched majestically on a rocky ledge, its large golden eyes gleaming with wisdom and challenge.
To find the gem, you must answer my riddle.
The owl hooted, its voice echoing through the cavern. The owl then asked,
I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I?
Lila furrowed her brow, thinking hard about the owl's words. She closed her eyes and envisioned the answer, drawing on her courage and intellect. After a few moments, she confidently replied,
An echo.
The owl's eyes sparkled with approval.
Correct.
It said, its feathers ruffling slightly in the dim light of the cave. With a graceful motion, the owl revealed the Gem of Courage, a shimmering red gem that glowed with an inner light, and handed it to Lila. Lila accepted the gem with a mixture of awe and gratitude, feeling its warmth and power as she held it in her hand. Next, they traveled to a sparkling stream where the Gem of Kindness was hidden. A family of ducks needed help crossing the stream. Realizing the ducks needed help, one by one, Lila transported each duckling. After the last duckling was safely nestled in the rads, the mother duck revealed a hidden treasure, a glowing blue gem. The gem radiated a soft azure light, casting beautiful reflections on the surrounding water. Lila carefully picked up the gem, feeling its cool, smooth surface. The gem felt magical in her hands, a testament to her kind heart and willingness to help those in need. Finally, after a long and arduous journey, Lila and Stardust reached the enchanted tree, the legendary keeper of the Gem of Hope. The tree stood majestically in a secluded grove, its ancient trunk thick and gnarled, bearing the marks of countless seasons.
Climb up.
Stardust encouraged, his voice gentle yet firm.
The Gem of Hope is waiting for you.
Taking a deep breath, Lila approached the tree and placed her hands on the rough bark. With a surge of determination, Lila began her ascent. The climb was challenging, but Lila's spirit was unwavering. After what felt like an eternity, Lila finally reached the highest branches of the enchanted tree. There, nestled among the vibrant leaves, she spotted a soft, radiant glow. There it was, the bright green Gem of Hope, resting gently in a natural cradle formed by the branches. The moment she touched it, a sense of peace and renewed strength filled her heart. She had found it, the final gem in their quest.
You did it.
Stardust said, his eyes sparkling with pride. Lila smiled. the gem of hope glowing brightly in her hands.
We did it together.
She replied, feeling a deep connection with her loyal companion. With all 3 gems in hand, Lila and Stardust returned to the meadow.
Place the gems on the rainbow.
Stardust instructed. Lila carefully placed each gem on the rainbow. As she did it, a brilliant light filled the meadow. The flowers bloomed brighter, and the air shimmered with magic.
You did it.
Stardust said joyfully.
You restored the magic to our land.
Lila beamed with happiness.
I couldn't have done it without you, Stardust.
Stardust lowered his head, and Lila gave him a gentle hug.
Thank you for believing in magic and in yourself.
Stardust said. As the sun set, Lila knew it was time to go home.
Will I see you again?
She asked.
Whenever you need me, just follow the sparkling path.
Stardust replied. Lila waved goodbye and walked back home, her heart filled with the wonder of her magical adventure. She knew that with courage, kindness, and hope, anything was possible.